This is one of the most delicious stew I have ever tasted. Oh my goodness, this was nice. Okay, we are making this soft bean stew recipe which you will love. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes, and I know very well that because of that you will love to stay here. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos if you haven't done so. It is absolutely free. Now, to start with this, you have to cook your beans, and my beans is already here. Yes, it is well cooked and very soft. Now I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to blend my ginger, garlic, onions, and then add it to the oil. Just fry this for some time and then we will proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful that you always spend some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, so whilst we are frying this, I am blending my tomatoes and then pepper. Now we are going to wait for this to fry very well before we add the next ingredients, and the next ingredients are the pepper and then the tomatoes. Add it to it, let it fry very well on fire before we proceed. Thank you so much if you've watched me till this point. I know you like the video already. Can you please like it for me? Like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will be very grateful. Now this has been on fire for some time, and this is how it looks. Perfect. It has fried very well. If you want to add tomato paste, you can go ahead and do so, but we are not going to add that. But I will add some chopped onions to chopped tomatoes to get that fiber in the stew. And just look at that, so good. Just forget about the oil, we will be scooping it. Okay, I just want the stew to fry faster. That is why I added a lot of oil, and then after scooping it, you can use the oil for another stew. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so after that I will go ahead and add all my seasoning and then natural spice and other things. So use what you want to use, but do not forget about your curry powder. It is very important. It adds some flavor to your stew and you will love it. Now I'm going to leave this on fire and then wait for a while before we proceed. Just look at that, absolutely good and well fried. Okay, you'll wait for extra few minutes and then I will show you what to do next. Thank you once again. Now after some few minutes, I'll go ahead and then add my soft beans. This beans is very soft. Okay, if I prepare the bean stew and it is not extremely soft, my husband will not eat it. Yes, so you can see that I don't have a lot of bean stew recipes on my channel. When I'm making bean stew, I have to be very careful with it, else he won't eat it. Yes, so I have to prepare it very soft, just like how you are seeing on the screen. You can see that the beans is very soft, and anyway, I think I like it as well. It tasted so good. Okay, yes, now mix it very well so it becomes uniform, and when we are done, I will share with you what next. With this stew, we paired it with our rice, and I will be very happy to know what you will pair this with. Trust me, if you pair it with ripe plantain, oh my goodness, you will love it. Actually, I wanted to prepare some gobe and after I finished preparing the beans, I realized that I don't have gari. Yes, and I decided to use the beans for something else, and then my husband was like, it's been a long time you prepared bean stew, so let's prepare bean stew. Yeah, and as you can see, the beans is very soft. Now you can't see any oil on top of the stew, right? I scooped everything, and then later I added small amount of the oil to it again. Yes, just I just want it to look a bit presentable, okay, not very white like something. Yeah, and as you can see, it looks so good. We are just going to allow this to be on fire so that the liquid can drain small, because the liquid is still in there, and we just want to get that perfect stew we are looking for. Trust me, this was very, very nice. With this, everyone can have it, if whether you are vegetarian, vegan, or non-vegetarian, you can enjoy this, because we don't have any fish or anything fish inside there. I will just go ahead and then taste for salt. If salt is okay, and then we are good to go. As we know, this is plant-based, okay. I mean, the beans we are using is plant-based, so you don't have to do a lot to your beans stew before it will taste good. Naturally, beans is delicious, they have nice taste, and you don't have to do a lot. So now we waited for another extra minute, and as you can see, we still have some water in there, which I would love to wait for a while so that it can reduce some more. Yeah, as you can see, I took some of the stew out, and later I added it to the stew. That is why, getting to the middle of the video, if you realize that the stew was small, now it is plenty again. I've added the stew to it back. Yes, when I was scooping the oil, I took some of the stew out. Now our stew looks so good, and this is how it looks. Now you can see that we don't have much liquid in there, and it looks absolutely delicious and perfect. So we are going to wait for a while again so we can get the perfect outcome we are looking for. As I talk to you right now, I have some rice on fire, which we will be adding this to. I have never paired beans with rice before. Today is actually the first time, and trust me, I really enjoyed it. It tasted so good. Usually I prefer the gobe, the gari and beans, than to prepare the stew and then eat with the plantain. So it's ready now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do what to watch our other videos. Trust me, you will fall in love with them, okay? They are very, very useful, and you will like them. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I do care about you, and I'm so grateful that you always spend some time with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.